Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. So if you have installed BlueStack 5 on your Windows 11 and if you are trying to open BlueStack, you are getting an error incompatible Windows settings, then this video is for you. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how we can fix BlueStack 5 not opening on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. If you're getting this kind of error, that means on your system you had not enabled virtualization and Hyper-V settings. So let me show you how you can enable these settings. For that, first of all, you have to check whether virtualization settings is enabled or not. Simply search for Task Manager and open Task Manager. Here simply click on this hamburger menu. Here click on Performance. Now click on CPU. And here you will find virtualization option. Here you can see currently on my system I had enabled virtualization. If you are getting this option as disabled, then you have to enable virtualization settings on your BIOS. So I had already made a complete guide on how you can enable virtualization settings on your BIOS. So I'll put the guide link in the description box. Once you had confirmed that virtualization settings is enabled on your Windows 11, you can simply turn on Hyper-V on your system. For that, simply search for Turn Windows feature on and off and open these settings. Here you will find Windows feature window. From here you can enable or disable Windows feature. Let me expand this window. Here you have to enable few settings. First one is Hyper-V option. When you enable Hyper-V, it will also enable Hyper-V management tool and Hyper-V platform. After that, you have to enable virtual machine platform option and Windows Hyper platform. Next, you have to enable Windows Sandbox and Windows Subsystem for Linux. Once you had enabled this option, simply click on OK. And it will search for all the required files and it will apply the settings. Once the process has been completed, here simply click on Restart button to restart your system. Once you have to restart your system, you can simply open BlueStack as administrator. Now it should work, as you can see here. Now you can use BlueStack 5 to install Android apps and games on your Windows 11. So we already have a video on how you can install BlueStack 5. I'll put the video link in the I button or you'll get the video link in the description box. So that's it. This is how you can fix BlueStack 5 not opening on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.